There are 4 clips that we have to undo to access the old engine air filter. 3 on the left side and then 1 in the back. Once you get all the clips undone, you'll be able to lift up on the housing and you'll be able to pull out the old engine air filter. When you pull this out, if there's any debris underneath, make sure to get that out too. Now let's get it replaced with a brand new engine air filter. Make sure it's all the way down and sealed, and then snap the clips back and you're all done.